Hello everyone, I am Ramon. Welcome back to Ramon at Home and to another day of the 25 days of Christmas. On today's video, I want to show you how to create this beautiful bow ornament to go on your Christmas tree with a clothespin. You can just put this on a branch and it is super easy to make. So if you want to see how this is done, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like the video and share with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe to Ramon at Home for future decorating ideas. Also stay till the end of the video because I want to show you an extra way how you can utilize this really pretty ornament. Let's get started. Alright, for this particular project, all we're gonna need is a clothespin, some buffalo check ribbon, burlap ribbon, a sprig of greenery that I have left over from past projects, a pipe cleaner, our scissors, and a hot glue gun. Let's get started. Alright, the very first thing we need to do is go ahead and spray paint this black. I feel like if we leave it natural, it would show more on our Christmas tree, and if we spray paint it black, then it will disappear into the tree. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this and I'll be right back with you. So I gave this clothespin a few coats of flat black paint. So now that this is done, I'm gonna put this right here to the side, and I'm gonna start with our bow. So I'm gonna start with the plaid first. So I'm gonna unravel this. This is about 2.5 feet of ribbon. And what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and give it a pinch right here, and then I'm going to just make a really simple 4-loop bow. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and do one little center because we can cut that into tails later. So just pinch right here and then fold it, pinch again, and twist. This is a really pretty felt ribbon, so we have to make sure that we spin it around. So now that we have this like this, I'm gonna go ahead and secure it with our clothespin right here. And just pull down, pull it really tight, and twist. And then what we're gonna do is, we're gonna get a strip of this burlap ribbon. I wanna say probably about 8 inches of it. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and pinch right here. I'm just gonna add this to the bottom. And I'm going to go ahead and twist again, and that will just give us extra tails of burlap, a little bit more interest. And then what I'm going to do is dovetail this, and remember, fold in half, and always cut against the fold, so that way you have your dovetails. Let me go ahead and do that right here, cut against the fold. And then this little bow that I made in the middle, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut it in half, spool up, and then I'm also going to go ahead and dovetail those. Like I said, this is just extra tails and extra character for our bow. And we're going to add the sprig in the middle, so let me just dovetail this one side of the burlap, oops, like so. And then you just fluff your little bow, fluff, like this. Make sure you pull all the tails up. And then what I want to do at this point is just go ahead and get rid of the axis of this pipe cleaner because we really don't need it. So I'm going to put that on the side. Alright, so now that we have it at this point, the next step would be to add this sprig right here in the middle. So I'm just going to do a really big dab of glue. Be generous, because the heavier the item you're putting in the middle is, the more glue you have to put in to secure it. So just like this, and we're gonna let it dry for 1 second. Alright, once we have it at this point, the last step will be to add our clothespin in the back, and that's what's gonna help us secure it into the Christmas tree. So once again, just be a little generous with this step, because when we put it into the branch, it's gonna hold all the weight. So press down until this dries. Alright, so I want to show you a few more examples of different looks you can do with this particular bow arrangement. This can go, like I said, on your Christmas tree, on the mantle, on top of a package, and they're just super cute. They're very glam with silver and gold. And then also this traditional right here with the reds and the greens. I just think they're super simple to make, and they will add a lot of impact into my Christmas tree. Alright you guys, as you can see, it is super easy to make and super affordable. The secret right here is a clothespin. You can put it on a branch and it really will help us stay there. but it can also be used in a little package as a topper. As you can see right here, just by adding the clothespin to the package, you can use it to really spruce up your gift. That looks really cute, I think. I really think it turned out really cute, and it's gonna match the top of the lantern perfectly. If you guys haven't seen how I decorated the lantern, I'm gonna link it up right here, right now, or you can just watch more videos right here. And if you haven't subscribed to Ramon at Home, you can just click right here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye.